In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit group in Outlook vertical bar add and remove member from group. If you collaborate with teams or rely on shared conversations and files, keeping your group membership accurate is essential. Start by opening Outlook. Once it's up, look at the app bar on the left side of the window and click the Groups icon. That opens your groups list, where you'll see every group you are part of. Take a moment to locate the specific group you want to modify. Then select it to open the group space. Now let's manage members. To add people, look just under the group name for the line that shows how many members are in the group. It often reads something like 3 members. Click that text to open the Members window and then choose Add Members. You'll get a search box where you can type a name or an email address. Pick the correct person from your organization's directory. If multiple results appear, pause over the options and confirm details before selecting. As soon as you add someone, they'll gain access to group conversations, shared files, and any resources tied to the group. Keep in mind that new members may receive a welcome message or start seeing group updates right away. So add only the people who should have that visibility. To remove someone, stay in the same members list. Scroll or use the search field to find the person you want to remove. Next to their name, click the X or the Remove from Group button. Outlook removes them immediately, which stops group messages and access to shared content for that person. Be deliberate here. Removal takes effect right away. If you remove the wrong person, you can always re-add them using the same Add Members option you used earlier. When it comes to saving, here is nothing extra you need to do. Outlook typically saves these changes automatically, and you'll see the list update as soon as you close the Members window. If you keep the window open, give it a moment to reflect the update. That's all to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Outlook groups clean, current, and effective.